A wave within a wave within a wave. That's what the market does. There's a major wave and a minor wave. So whenever we look at the market moves in waves. And the wave has a grand wave and a major wave and a smaller wave, and you can make all those assumptions about it. So if this is your current time frame, a weekly chart, when the price was above the green line and the green was above the red and the red was above the blue, this is indicating that over the past 5 days for the green line, past 8 days for the red line, or past 13 days for the blue line, the price of this stock on average was going up. When you had the 3 candle pullback here, I marked it with this, the cross, the yellow cross. This is telling you that your major wave is up, but there's a pullback towards the green line. And this would mean that on a lower time frame, the price is consolidating. So we'd go to the daily chart. And what you see on the daily chart is that price is consolidating, it's going sideways. And when the green line is touching the red line and the blue, and it's mingled and it's inside the box, your wave, the AIMS wave indicator, will be close to the 0 line after creating a peak. But the purple line lingers underneath it, because purple line is the red line of the 5 times higher time frame. On the weekly chart, it's this red line. So around this time, this is what it was. We want to trade the markets when we check the weekly chart, and the weekly chart has an open gator. We drop to the daily chart and we look for a sleeping gator and a tight box. When it breaks out here, we are already in. We add on here, add on there, and we let it run. Now let's inspect this pullback. So if you look at this chart, this was even better than the weekly chart, because if you look at the weekly chart, this is not really a predominant strong trend, because it has this down move, which is the pandemic moves and 2018 and all that. So this stock has been losing. Sorry, that wasn't the pandemic. Pandemic was somewhere here. Yeah. Generally, the stock was going down since October, but now it's going up. Whereas if you look at the daily chart, in this period to the left, all the way till June 2020, it's actually been going up. And when you so your scanners, or if you have a mechanism of catching trades, catching the companies that are rising in price, it should have caught this over here. And then you wait for it, and guess what? We have 1, 2, 3 days of pullback. What if we were to go to the hourly chart to check what pattern this makes? We go to the hourly chart, and what do we see? We see the perfect setup one. I'm referring to this point here. Price goes up in all those days. Every band here represents a day. These few hours, these candles is one daily candle. So you have a strong wave 3 up. This is what we call. So if you look back at the last 100 bars starting from right to the left, and you check the AIMS wave, whatever peak is the highest and the corresponding peak on price, this would be your wave 3. And when the AO crosses the 0 line, that would become your wave 4. And so this rising price, when it takes a pause, those 3 candle pullback, these are those 3 days, gator sleeps, box is tight, AO is cross red, you're expecting it to go up again. On this day, at the open, 4th of December, you buy the stock for $7. And you start trailing the box. And on the 8th, of December, which was yesterday, you take your profits of £1.18, or you're still in this trade based on the daily chart, trailing the candles. And that is how we can take intraday trades on stocks that are moving using the setup one. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button and share the idea.